Okay, so here's 6 cards that I made with the August card kit that will be shipping about August 10th. So here's the first one. Thinking of you. And so I've used the butterflies, the circle dies, and the stamp set. And then I just stamped the saying on the inside. Here's card number 2. So I fussy cut the corners out of paper, and then I believe this was the inside, so I could cut it out with the circle die. And then we use the Nuvo drops. Not sure I put in, yeah, nothing on the inside of that one. So then here is another Thinking of You. Nuvo drops, ribbon and buttons, butterflies, and then I used acetate, which was the covering from the stamp set, or if you have acetate on hand, just use a piece of that and put the picture on the inside. So then this one, use some of the flowers, more circle dies. Again, I fussy cut this off the edge of one of the pieces of paper, or actually the one that I used on the base here. All 6 of these cards, I only used 5 sheets of paper. So you've still got a whole bunch left in the kit. I really liked this one. We stamped the image, because of you, I laugh a little louder, cry a little less, and smile a little more. And then this one I was just trying to do something a little differently. Again, I used the circle dies here. And we just, it opens this way. So we finished it with the good friends are like stars, you don't always see them, but you know they're always there. And then on the inside, just for you to write your own note to whoever. And this the string to secure the card closed, like so. So that was 6 cards that we created using the card kit. We'll be shipping August. Okay, we are going to go over the August kit. This is a card kit by the Rubber Buggy. And yeah, we're going to ship it in August. So I just kind of wanted to show you what was in it and give you a chance to sign up for the monthly delivery. So to start with, we have a paper pad by Lemoncraft, 6x6. It's the Yesterday collection. And what you get is 2 sheets of each paper. And then the back of the cover is actually usable as well. See the, yeah. Here are the lovely papers. Remember, that's 2 sheets of each one. And there you have them. There's 18 designs, 2 sheets of each one. So you can get a lot of cards actually out of this set of papers. And then with that, you're going to get a couple of paper doilies. We have, this is a white yard of trim ribbon, kind of the organza, and this is an off-white. And we also have a kind of a minty green twine and a little bit whiter cord. It's kind of a silky cord. Then we have a grouping of flowers, and these are by Wild Orchid Crafts. So we'll get flowers. And I've cut this up. It was some butterflies. There's 2 sizes of each color on a sheet, and I fussy cut these out already. So they don't come like this. You will have to cut them yourselves. But I was going to layer them up, so I was getting them ready. And then we get a pack of buttons in all these colors that match the paper pad colors, various sizes. Then we will have a set of circle cutting dies. This is our first kit, so we were going to kind of start with some basic sizes and that we can use from all the kits here on out. Then we have a stamp set. It's by 49 and Market, and it's flowers. And this will be our picture side. I've stamped with it, so this is used. And it says, good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Then thinking of you, thank you, and because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a little more. Love that saying. You're also going to get a bottle of Nuvo Crystal Drops in white. And then we'll get 8.5 by 11 cardstock. You're going to get 5 sheets of white for making your card bases or whatever you prefer, but that's what I'm going to use it for. And then you get 2 sheets each of a ivory, pink, and this green, and these are Lawn Fawn papers. And that is what is in the August kit. You order now, you won't be charged until August 5th, and we'll be shipping them right after that. So we'll be back and we'll have some card samples for you as well. And along with that, we will be sharing everything with the card kits in the Facebook group for the Rubber Buggy Brigade. It's not specifically just for the card kit, but that is where we are going to show everything we do with the card kits in that group. Okay, thank you for joining us. I'll put the link below the video is where you can sign up, and the kit is $34.99 plus shipping. Thank you.